Let's consider this problem with one change. Let's consider this to be a 10% tax on the consumer. So to begin, let's consider the demand and the supply curves that are given. And let's find the equilibrium price and quantity before taxes. In order to arrive at this, we could simply just solve the equation 2500 minus 20p equals 10p minus 500. If we solve for p, we'd end up getting $100, and Q would be 500. To look at a graph, you have the demand function and the supply function, and we could plot this. This would be $100 along the price axis, and this would be 500 units along the quantity axis. Now let's consider the new equilibrium price and quantity after taxes. So since the tax is on the consumer, then the demand function is going to need to change. So we'll write the demand function as Q equals 2500 minus 20 times price plus 10% of the price as the tax. The supply curve will be unchanged and will remain Q equals 10p minus 500. So to solve for the new equilibrium price and quantity, I will just set the 2500 minus 20 times p plus 0.1p equal to 10p minus 500. If you solve this, you should arrive at p is equal to 93.75, $93.75, with a quantity of 437.5. Perhaps we'll just round this up to 438. And if we were to graph this, it would look very similar to what we had before. We have our demand function, our supply function, and our point of equilibrium would be here at $93.75 on the price axis, and along the quantity axis we would have 438 units. Now let's consider what's going on after the taxes and see how much the consumer and the producers are each paying of this tax. So if we look at the price from the producer's point of view, they used to collect $100, and now they collect $93.75. That's what they get to keep. And so this is $6.25 less, and that is the producer's portion of the tax. Now on the consumer's side, they pay $93.75, but they must also pay a 10% tax. And a 10% tax here would be $9.38 if we round. And so if we add these two together, what we should end up with is $103, and this would be what, 13 cents? So this is $3.13 more, and this would be the portion of the tax paid by the consumers. And if you'll notice, if you add these two together, the $6.25 and the $3.13, they will add together to be $9.38, which is the 10% tax. Now, the only thing that remains is the total tax revenue by the government. So let me over here just say that the total tax revenue would be the tax times the new quantity. And so the tax is $9.38 times the new quantity, which we'll say is 438 units. This would be a total of $4,108.44.